Hi everybody, it's Chris from Your Network Expert. And you've probably noticed over the last few years that I haven't been putting up too much content on this particular channel. And the reason is that I've been really busy in my life, and I've also changed focus a little bit. I'm still in the IT world and telecom world, but I decided to go in the direction of my roots, which is in wireless technologies, and in particular Wi-Fi. And so what I want to do is ask you all, and first and foremost, thank you all for liking, subscribing, hitting that bell notification and stuff like that. But what I'm going to ask you is one more favor. If you're still interested in seeing some really awesome videos that are going to help you out when it comes down to networking technologies, in particular Wi-Fi, then I'm going to encourage you to go to this link up here, and it's for Greybeard Wi-Fi, and it's going to be dealing with subjects on everything Wi-Fi, ranging from design to security to you name it. And it's going to go to various different audiences, ranging from the high-end professionals to somebody at home. So I'm going to ask a huge favor. Migrate over to that particular channel and continue supporting me. And thank you very much for that support, and take care. This is Your Network Expert. I guess I'm saying signing off, and see you over at Greybeard Wi-Fi. Peace.